Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove video background in CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my laptop and I have imported my video as well. And first of all, I'm going to drag this video to the timeline and we're going to practice how we can remove the background of this video. So we can click on the video like this, then we can click on videos, then just click on CapCut option right here to remove the background. You have to scroll down until you find auto CapCut. It's over here, then just click on this checkbox. Okay, and you have to wait until the process has been completed, and it depends on the size of the video and also the duration. Okay, and now the auto CapCut has been completed and the background has been removed, and we're going to check the result. So I'm going to play the video. Alright guys, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how we can remove the background of video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.